Hello, this is Collie Hall, room 201, and I'm going to show you how the audio-video system works in this room. Up here at the teacher station, on the left-hand side is our controller. It's going to control our video sources and our projector. Right now, projector off is highlighted. When I press projector on, it powers up the projector in the middle of the room. Now, it does take about a minute for the projector to power up, so we're going to be patient while that's happening, and I'll show you how to log into the computer. The keyboard tray pulls out from underneath the desktop here, and then I'm just going to follow the directions on the screen. Control-Alt-Delete to begin. Then a responsible use message pops up. I'll read that and click OK. The username is going to be my UWL 8.4 username, just like the beginning of my UWL email address. The password will be my UWL net ID. And then third line here says log on, and I'm going to make sure that says Eagle. Once all those things are entered in, I'll press the OK button, and that's going to log on to the computer for us. Once the projector has powered up, then we can choose our source and put something in the front of the class. And the way I'm going to do that is by using the controller on the right-hand side here. I'm going to press this top button, which is labeled PC, and that's going to send the PC to the screen for us. The document camera is located on the right-hand side of the teacher station, and the power is in the lower left-hand part. I'll press the power button here, the light turns green. Then this indicator light will flash green. Once it becomes a solid green light, I'll know the document camera is ready to go. My advanced features are located here in the front. You can zoom in or change your focus. And then once the doc cam is ready, I come back over to the controller, just like I did for the PC. This time I'm going to hit the button labeled doc cam. And in just a second, once the projector adjusts, anything we do on the doc cam will show up on the screen for us. There's a DVD VCR located here in the classroom under the keyboard tray. If you have a VHS tape, put it in on the right-hand side and press the video button. A DVD will be located on the left-hand side and press the DVD button. Then you can use the front panel or the remote control to control the DVD VCR. And up here on the controller, the third button here that says VCR is what we'll use to send that signal to the front screen. In order to adjust the volume, I didn't use the controller up there. This room is a little unique in that we have a mixer, and so I'm going to use the bottom right-hand knob here, labeled Main Mix, in order to adjust the volume.
We know that the first payment.
And that volume knob is going to control all the different devices that we have. Since we are using this type of setup, any device that you have is going to be playing through this mixer at all times. So if you're playing a VHS tape and you bring a video up on the computer, both of them are going to come through the sound system at the same time. So you'll want to pause one and adjust the volume to play whichever one you want to focus on. Everything we need to connect the laptop is located right here in the middle of the desktop. There's even a power supply in the back there, so you don't have to rely on battery or run your cable across the floor. There's an audio cable, a video cable, and a network cable. I'll plug the video cable into my video card on my computer and the audio cable into the headphone jack. And I'll also note that any other device that you might have, like your iPod or your MP3 player, you can plug this cable into the headphone jack on that device and then use the volume knob on our mixer, and that will put your device through our sound system. Now that my laptop is all hooked up, I'm going to come back over to the controller, and I'm going to hit this button labeled Portable PC, and that's going to tell the projector to look for a laptop for us. And right now my laptop is not showing up on the screen, and that's because I haven't told it that I have an external projector connected. The way I'm going to do that is to hold down the function key, and then I'm going to press the F8 key. And that's going to switch between modes. You saw my screen blink a little bit there. That indicates that it's changing modes. Some computers are going to have a nice little menu for you there, and you can choose the duplicate mode from the menu so that whatever you show on your screen is going to be duplicated on the screen. So I hit that function F8 key, and I waited just a second, and my screen came up for me in the middle of the class. When I'm all finished with whatever it is I'm doing, I come back over to the controller, and I'm going to go to that projector button in the upper left again. This time I'm going to press the off button. And that's important because it's going to power the projector off and save the life of the projector bulb for us. The last thing I'll mention is that on the desktop here is a written version of what I've told you on the video. And in the upper right-hand corner are the names and phone numbers of the Academic Technology Services staff. If you ever need help during a class or ever have any questions at all, please give us a call.